Hello, I'm Jordan Hammersley, instructor for the Outfitter Wildlife Management Program and the head trap shooting coach here at Southeastern Illinois College. In my wildlife management program, we focus on a three-pronged approach to wildlife science. First and foremost, we cover all the legal aspects because a lot of my students would like to be a game warden. Second, we focus on the guiding sections for those that might want to be an outdoor fishing or hunting guide. And third, we focus on a wildlife biology approach that is usually reserved for university level courses. If anybody's an ATA trap shooter and interested in being on my team, please send me an email. We have our own private trap range here on campus, located in our Chuck Hearn Outdoor Complex, which also houses our indoor archery range. In the woods behind campus, we have 20 3D archery targets. We also have a 50-yard handgun range, which has a covered firing line with 6 positions available.
Hi, my name is Mark Thomas. I'm the welding instructor here for Southeastern Illinois College in Harrisburg, Illinois. SIC has to offer the level 2 certificate in arc welding, MIG welding, TIG welding, gas welding, pipe welding, and the biggest thing is the AWS certification. The second program is the associate's program. Same amount of welding, but the main thing is with SIC, you will be a certified welder. The good thing about the program is you will be welding each and every day and learning the process and proficiently know how to use all the equipment. If techniques or procedures change, we'll adapt our program for that, but you will come out as a certified welder. And that carries a lot of weight for employers that will hire welders.